The Kechara group currently has 4 non-profit Dharma stores located in areas of Kuala Lumpur and Petaling Jaya. These stores were the brainchild of the spiritual guide of Kechara House, His Eminence Tsemtulku Rinpoche. Tsem Rinpoche is a recognized High Lama of the Galupa lineage from the Holy Garden Shatse Monastery, founded in Tibet in the 1400s and now located in Mungaur, India. The motivation behind these stores is simply to provide little corners of enlightenment in the least likely places, such as in shopping malls and retail areas, are catering for those both spiritually and non-spiritually inclined. The first of these Dharma stores was founded in the year 2000 and is located in busy streets of SS2 in Petaling Jaya. Walk up a couple of flights of stairs and you will see the entrance of Kechara Paradise, the Buddhist store from the Himalayas. Kechara Paradise is the paradise of Buddha Vajrayogini, one of the highest tantric Buddhas, who presents one of the fastest routes to attain enlightenment. Kechara Paradise's manager is one who is always ready to greet visitors with her charming smile. As soon as you enter, holy malabis gift to Kechara by High Lamas such as Kensor Kongchok Seren, Ken Rinpoche, and His Holiness Song Rinpoche are on display. Inside, gleaming statues of the various different aspects of Buddha entrance you. Buddha statues and ritual items are important for practitioners of Buddhism, as they help to focus on the core of Buddha's teachings, which is the Dharma. Kechara Paradise caters for the more serious Buddhist practitioner, and in addition to the more traditional statues of Shakyamuni and Lama Tsongkhapa, it has a range of less common statues of raffle Buddhas, such as Yamantaka, the raffle animation of the Buddha of Wisdom, Manjusri. On the wall behind the counter, there is located a photo of Tsem Rinpoche's favorite image of the Kamakura Buddha, and is prominently displayed next to photos of holy beings such as Tsem Rinpoche's guru, His Holiness Song Rinpoche. Prominent spiritual leaders of other lineages and religions are also displayed, such as Master Chen Yen, Lama Yeshe, the 16th Gyalwa Karmapa, Mother Teresa, and many High Lamas. This gallery of holy beings embodies the non-sectarian spirit of Kechara's guru, His Eminence Tsemtulku Rinpoche, which he always emphasized during his teachings. Kechara Paradise also hosts the Saraswati Arts Department, a group of Tsem Rinpoche's students who, together with other volunteers, dedicate their evenings and weekends to the meritorious work of painting statues, preparing pearl offerings, and making zazas. Zazas are holy images which are traditionally carried by nomadic Tibetans when they travel. Today they are popular with modern practitioners, especially those who travel frequently. Kechara Paradise also has a large range of malas, which are string beads used in counting the numbers of mantras chanted during prayer sessions, and can be made of bodhi seeds, wood, semi-precious stones, or crystals. In the suburbs of Banda Utama is the popular One Utama shopping center, where Kechara's second outlet, Zambala Mystical Treasures, is located on the second floor, just next to the Pakistan department store. Enter the wood doors and Lord Zambala, the Buddha of spiritual and material wealth, is the centerpiece, with Lama Tsongkhapa behind him and a traditional lari above. Throughout the shop is an array of different Zambala statues and zazas in the various forms of this powerful deity. Apart from the more common yellow Zambala, the black Zambala is available for the financially challenged or the more financially secure who might find it difficult to perform generosity. Connecting with the Buddhas can be achieved through the offering of precious items, the wearing of precious Buddha's icons such as jewelry, or carrying chakras for protection. Chakras contain a piece of paper adorned with saffron that has diagrams, mantras, and prayers written thereon that activate the energies of protection within your body by invoking the body, speech, and mind energies of the respective Buddha. These are handmade and consecrated by monks from Holy Gandencha Tsem Monastery. Reciting the mantra of the respective deity further invokes the energy of the deity to be with us, and is recommended not only for its protective energy, but also for opening our minds to transformation, healing, and ultimate happiness. Zambala Mystical Treasures also has a wide range of singing bowls. Singing bowls are made from different metals or a combination of metals such as gold, silver, copper, lead, iron, and are provided with a wooden mallet. When the bowls are gently but firmly touched with the mallet, they create beautiful resonant tones which vary according to the size and weight of the bowl. Beautiful sounds can also be created by running the mallet around the edge of the bowl in a clockwise direction. There are usually mantras inscribed on the bowl, and by activating the tone, the sound of the mantra permeates throughout the room and blesses everything, even spirits and animals, with Buddha's body, speech, and mind. Any negative energy in the environment will be purified. Kechara's third Dharma store, Yogini Mystical Treasures, also known as YMT, is on a high floor in the prestigious mall of Lok Ten, right in the center of Kuala Lumpur, in Bukit Bintang. Here, Zambala well vases, full of specially selected ingredients and holy items, are respectfully displayed. These well vases are all handmade by monks and available for anyone who wishes to increase their spiritual and material wealth. Because of the spiritual energies in these vases, we should not touch them with our bare hands, and we should respectfully carry them with a kata, which is a Tibetan scarf traditionally used for greetings and blessings. Ideally, the vase should be kept in a glass casing to protect it. Yogini Mystical Treasures has a wide range of stunning silver and gold jewelry to please anyone, Buddhists and non-Buddhists alike. These pieces with semi-precious stones are simply for aesthetic purposes. While Buddha's pendants made from solid gold or silver with gold plating carry the energy of the Buddha with you whenever you wear it. Some of these pendants have even been designed by Tsem Rinpoche himself. As in all stores, there are many choices of pure incense which are made from natural ingredients. These have been handmade and blessed by holy monks at the monastery. Yogini Mystical Treasures offer silver ritual items, such as mandala sets and prayer wheels. Prayer wheels have hundreds or even thousands of mantras written and contained within. It is believed that when the wheel is turned clockwise, and while the mantra is chanted, it is like all the mantras within are being recited by the wheel turner. A great way to gain merit. And in Bangsa, better known for shopping, dining, and bars, is located Kechara Mystical Treasures, our largest outlet today. Here, large and beautiful tankas, which are traditional Tibetan-style paintings, catch shoppers' eyes, and they are drawn into a glittering den of statues and ritual items. The tankas are often framed with bouquets made of real gold thread. The golden bouquet is an offering to the image of the Buddhas on the tanka. Making offerings of the best of our ability to Buddha is the equivalent to desiring the highest aspiration to have the enlightened qualities of the Buddha. As in all stores, Dharma books, which are important as they convey the teachings of Lord Buddha, are on prominent display. Here are a wide range of DVDs and books of His Eminence Tsem Rinpoche's Dharma teachings, produced by the Kechara organization's own publishing house, are available. Presented in modern and professionally designed covers, they provide a wealth of insight into this ancient wisdom, which Rinpoche presents in his unique style of warmth and humor. A variety of books and CDs by other Buddhist masters are also available. Kechara Mystical Treasures appeals to those who may wish to take genuine and original Himalayan handicrafts home with them. Tables, screens, items, large and small, are available in exclusive qualities. These 4 Dharma stores have brought many, countless people, knowingly and unknowingly, closer to the Dharma. Many visitors have said how wonderful the energy is within these beautiful and unique shops, and whether they purchase any items or not, the Kechara organization are delighted to be here, so that those who enter our stores may take home the blessings of Buddha each time they visit us.